If you've been in an accident and your airbag has failed and it has ruptured and expelled shrapnel and you've been injured as a result, you should absolutely see a lawyer. In these types of cases, plaintiffs' lawyers will consult with potential clients for free. They'll do an analysis of the case for free, and they'll tell the client, you have a case, you don't have a case, this is the type of case I can handle, this is not the type of case I can handle. So all that important advice you can get without spending any money. It does not cost the victim anything to pursue this type of lawsuit. Typically, these types of cases are handled by lawyers on what's known as a contingency fee. In other words, if you don't win, if you don't succeed, if the lawyer doesn't recover anything for you, the lawyer doesn't get paid. If you do succeed and you do recover something through a settlement or a judgment or after a trial, then the lawyer is paid as a percentage of what's recovered.
The way we handle our litigation is on a contingency fee basis. And that's very important. What that means is you can come in and have the first meeting with us for free, without a contract, and tell us what the problem is. We will decide whether or not we can handle that case for you. If we do, our contract is on a contingent basis. We only get paid if we win the case for you, and we get a percentage of what we recover. As far as the costs are concerned, like the cost of filing the case, the depositions, the travel expenses, hiring engineers, all of that, we also get the best possible people to win your case, and we advance that cost. And if we don't win the case and we don't make a recovery, we don't ask you to pay anything. So there is no risk whatsoever to you in the way that we do business for you. We get paid back our cost if we're successful in making a recovery, and that's when we get paid our attorney's fee, and you get the balance. And that's the way we handle our cases, on a contingency fee basis. We call that the key to the courthouse for the people who can't afford a lawyer.
For more information, call Colson Hicks Eidson at 305-476-7400 or visit our website, colson.com.